Hello guys, so today we are back with the new tutorial, and this tutorial is from HHKB Programming Contest 2020. It is like a beginner contest only, and we are discussing problem B of this contest. So let's move on to the problem statement. So the problem statement is we are given a grid of H horizontal rows and W vertical columns of squares where each square is tidy or untidy. Okay, we are given a grid of H into M columns, H into W columns, H into W columns, and the columns are means the squares are either tidy or untidy. Okay, so what we will do in this problem is you are given uh, you will now place a matrix on this grid. Okay, we need to place a matrix on this grid. The matrix can be placed on two horizontally or vertically adjacent tidy squares in the grid. Okay, so we have two squares. Basically we have two squares, and we need to print them in we need to put it on matrix horizontally or vertically. Okay, so given an integer h w, and okay, we are given an integer h and w, and h strings we are given where the each string size is w. And yeah, so what we need to check is that if it is tidy, then we will if it is tidy, then we will get a dot, and if it is untidy, then we will get a hash. Okay, so find the number of ways to choose the position in the matrix. Okay, so let's take this example. So what we will do in this problem is we will check that if it is not if it is a dot. Okay, if it is a dot, then we will check that the front character of that dot is dot. Then we need to print we need to increment our count, and if it is not, then we need to do nothing. Okay, and same for down one also. We will check that if the down character of that dot is dot or not. If it is not dot, then we need to do nothing. If it is dot, then we need to increment. So let's move on to the code now. So what we have done in the code is that we have taken two integers n and m as told in the question, and we have make a character array of size m into m, and we have inputted that array. So now we have taken an integer count also here, which is 0 initially. And yeah, so for we have run a for loop till I to n and till j to m also, and the given condition in that is if it is equals to j, if ij is equals to hash, then we need to continue that, then we need to do nothing. And if else if it is not, then we will need to do these conditions, run on this condition that the j plus 1 is less than m. That means we need to check na that the front element of the dot is dot or not. Okay, if it is not dot, then it will be hash. Or suppose if it is the last dot, suppose in this case the last dot, then we need to not need to run the condition. Okay, so if it is j plus 1 is less than m, then we will run inside this condition, else we will go to another condition. Okay, so and if it is dot, okay, if it is dot, then we will increment the count, else if it is hash, then we need to do nothing, we can't place the matrix. Okay, same with this condition, we will check if it is downward or not. Okay, and we need to we will print the count at the last. Okay, so copy this statement. Let's check this statement also, check this condition input. Okay, so we get the 3 as it is the correct output. Okay, so this was the tutorial guys for this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. I will be posting the solution for C as well. So thanks for watching guys. Meet you guys next time. Bye bye.